Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Netflix. Click on that. You need to sign in into your Netflix account if you have a membership. So click on sign in and you need to add your login detail here. So once you sign in, you have an option of account and then you need to simply cancel your membership. So let me show you. You need to copy that. So here you can see the Netflix official homepage. So here you can see that you can cancel Netflix account at any time. So you simply need to, so here you can see this is only way to cancel your account and end your membership. Signing out of your account or deleting the Netflix app doesn't cancel your account. So you need to open your account and you need to click on cancel membership. Once you've done that, your auto payment will be stopped. So this is the process how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.